Are you looking for the best pants for welding? In this video, we will break down the top 10 best pants for welding on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Like and subscribe. At number 1. Wrangler Riggs Workwear Men's FR Flame Resistant Relaxed Fit Jean. Most people think of an ugly oversized piece of cloth when the welding pants are mentioned. However, that is not the case with the Wrangler's Riggs FR Fit Jean. It is an excellently designed safety element with a bottom leg opening. It is entirely cotton construction. Consequently, it is age-living cloth. As a result of the fire-prone cases in welding, this jeans is flame-resistant. They are the best value welding pants arc-resistant waistband closure. Also, as a measure to increase its visibility, it has a safety orange on the outside. It has an oversized watch pocket and extra 5 pockets. Nevertheless, the construction of these pants is skillful and quite eye-appealing. Its crafting materials are of high strength to guarantee durability. Similarly, you don't require a huge budget to acquire them, for they are budget-friendly. Highlighted features. It is machine washable. Flame-resistant ability, hence safety promising. Safety orange ID for visibility. 5 pockets and extra oversized watch pocket. 100% cotton. At number 2. Caterpillar Flame Resistant Cargo Pant. The Caterpillar Flame Resistant Cargo Pant is not only elegantly constructed but also safety promising. Its construction material consists of 88% cotton and 12% nylon. Its leg opening is up to 20 inches. Consequently, they can fit working boots. Also, with the multiple pockets in these pants, you can place the extra necessities, such as a handkerchief. Mobility is a crucial requirement of every type of welding pants. Violation of such a critical factor may lead to accidents. Accordingly, this leather-sourced Caterpillar pants are flame-resistant, have articulated knees design that promises comfort and mobility. Durability is another feature that sets this pant apart. With the cotton and nylon construction, you can use them for decades without wear or tear. Welding pants tend to get dirty fast. Further, the welding dirt tends to stick and take ages to come out. Luckily, these pants are machine washable. Hence, you can consider the trouble of getting them sparkling clean sorted. Besides, these pants are certified by the ATPV value 9.5, HRARC2, NFPA 70E, and NFPA 2112. Highlighted features. Articulated knee design. Flame-resistant, anti-static closure. Diamond crotch gusset. 20-inch leg opening. At number 3. MCR Safety Memphis Split Cowl Leather Welding Chaps. If you require welding pants that promise protection against the sparks, these pants may impress you. The MCR Memphis welding pants have split cowl leather that guarantees safety against the slags, cuts, and sparks. More so, its construction is of heavy-strength materials. Consequently, you can't doubt its longevity. Additionally, the design of these welding pants is one of its kinds. It has rivets on the stress points and quick-release buckles on the straps. Therefore, it is quite easy to wear and remove them. Also, due to their comfort, you will be feeling excellent in your workstation. Another feature that sets these pants apart is its lightweight design. It weighs only 0.16 ounces. Thus all the motions are highly enhanced and no extra weights. Its dimensions are the 38-inch length and 24-inch on the width. Also, as a result of its flexible waist size, you can be sure for them to fit you. Highlighted features. Adjustable waist size. Cotton and nylon construction. Quick release buckles. Heavy strength construction. Flame resistant. At number 4. Carhartt Men's Flame Resistant Signature Denim Jean Relaxed Fit. Among the things that you should consider when getting welding pants is the certification. It gives a guarantee of safety promising workwear and thoroughly tested pants. An example of such pants is the Carhartt Men's Flame Resistant Signature Denim Jeans, which is its certification from the NFPA 70E and NFPA 2112 compliant. Additionally, these highly recommendable pants have a durable construction. The crafting material is 100% cotton. Hence, it can resist tears and wear. Considering the dirt nature of the welding jobs, it may take ages hand cleaning the welding pants. Preferably you should get the machine washable pants such as the Carhartt Men's Denim Jean. Also, the design of these pants makes them highly presentable and classy. It has relaxed fitting thighs and seat. Also, the buttons closure are at waist arc resistant, while the zippers are of brass. With the multiple extra pockets, you can place all other necessities. The back pockets are well reinforced with a double stitch for durability and a captivating look. Highlighted features. Extra pockets. Fire-resistant welding pants. Machine wash. Certified by NFPA 70E and NFPA 2112 compliant. At number 5. Jobman Workwear welding pants. Nonetheless, durability is a critical feature that should not be compromised when acquiring welding pants. The Jobman Workwear welding pants describes the degree of longevity needed in these wares. It is a heavy-duty pant with 100% cotton construction and reinforcement in the stress regions. Near regions are parts of welding parts that waste fast. Accordingly, these pants have a knee-fit to provide extra reinforcement. Besides its massive strength construction, it is a lightweight item. Thus, very comfortable in greatly enhanced motions. Further, these pants are certified by New European Standard EN 11611 and EN 11612. Hence, a guarantee of thoroughly tested welding wares. Also, it has a deep pocket on the left leg where you can place the extra items. It is well treated with the pyruvate agent, which makes it flame resistant. Highlighted features. Flame resistant. 100% cotton construction. Extra pockets. Knee-fit pockets. Super light, which makes it comfy. At number 6. Carhartt Men's Flame Resistant Wash Duck Work Dungaree. The Carhartt company products promise to deliver user expectation meeting products. When it comes to their Carhartt Men's Flame Resistant Wash Duck Work Pants Dungaree, they don't have to take their word back. This item has cotton and nylon construction. Consequently, it is quite resistant to scratches. Just like you expect from a welding pant, it has flame-resistant abilities and quite light. Thus, it is highly comfy and stress-free in movement. The snap closure is arc-resistant and of high tension, therefore, they are the best flame-resistant dungarees. Also, it has quite big extra pockets that have seam reinforcements for durability. A certified dungaree gives a guarantee of thoroughly tested pants, which are faultless with certifications from the NFPA 70E and NFPA 2112 compliant as a machine wash pants. Thus, you don't have to spend long hours hand cleaning them. Highlighted features. Machine wash. Full seats and thighs. Certified by NFPA 70E and NFPA 2112 compliant. Cotton and nylon construction. At number 7. Wrangler Riggs Workwear Men's FR Original Fit Jean. Every welding person requires pants that guarantee safety and comfort in the entire working period. It is a professionally constructed jean that ensures comfort. It has to fill seats and thighs and a significant leg opening that fits the boots. Also, it has a classic silhouette design that gives it an attractive appearance. More so, these pair of jeans promise longevity due to its denim cotton construction. Also, it has a triple needle stitch finish for extra strength and elegance. The zippers are of heavy strength material and have stress-free operations. These Carhartt Wrangler jeans have a 5-pocket style to place additional items for quick accessibility. A certified best welding pant is an indication of faultless and safety-promising pants. They have their certifications from the NFPA 2112, HRC2, ATPV 23.8 calories, and ASTM F150602 EL. It meets rigorous FR requirements and has a self-extinguish that helps in reducing the severity of the burns. Highlighted features. 5-pocket styling. Silhouette design. Flame resistant. Machine wash. At number 8. Gazachev Cowhide Leather Safety Welding Jacket and Long Pants Protective Soldering Clothes Heat-Resistant Brown. Also, the Gazachev Cowhide Welding Jacket is another item that meets expectations of a durable and safety, guaranteeing welding wear. It offers protection against sparks and shatters. Correspondingly, constructing materials are of heavy strength to withstand the harsh conditions of welding jobs. Besides its flame-resistant capabilities, they are also heat-resistant to maintain cool body temperatures. The construction design is quite appealing and guarantees comfort and stress-free movements. The jackets have a flip-up collar, which protects the neck region from the sparks. However, if you need pants with extra pockets, the Gazachev soldering clothes will cause disappointment. But if you need pants with wide leg opening to fit in the boots, they will meet your expectation. Highlighted features. Wide leg opening. Water and heat resistant. Cowhide leather material construction. Snaps closure.